Yeah, chilling with the Zulu man.
Igama ukhohlwa mfazi esiwayidelile indoda matu bayishiya mkhonto kwazamazulu and this is Chilling with the Zulu Man. Ngihlunayo kwinsizwa la ulusanda umfaka amageba sokuthi ithi nje ukuthi qaphu sekuhluleke ngakuthina so sothi nje qaphu shaka nokuyombatha inkinga ngathi izimbatha sodwa magebo angiyiboni indandathu nkosikazi ukona
Ayi amantombazane scam
why njalo
ngafuna amantombazane ngaphuka inhliziyo grade 7 so angaze ngihile
since grade 7
kusapeta even now
right mawuthi qaphu nje ukuthi uMageba ubani wakobani wenzani
hayi mina ngiyinsizwa yakwaZulu le kwamhlaba yalingana ngikhulele enquthu ngikhuliswe isalukwazi unkosikazi wami oqala ke lo yake bayalandeka abanye but yeah I'm just a simple guy sizama impilo mfethu la eThekwini I think there's nothing more than that
Ngilithanda lelo kuzama impilo body ngasilungu lento enethi ihustler on a scale of 1 to 10 how would you raise your hustler self
I think since I still have a lot to learn yabo ngilapho ku5 mfana 5 ngafiki la kumele ngifike khona sisazama we pushing we want to get there
indlela
yabonakala ngeke hlale kungabonakali mfethu kumele kubonakala
so masikhuluma about hustling my bro kuba khona lento leyo ukuthi things would have been much better or could be much better if I had access to such people so and so or if ngingakhuluma nobani angakwazi mhlawumbe ngichoshise into enokuthi and then kuloko what I would say into abazama ukuyenza ukuthi benze lento ekuthiwa networking do you believe in networking
very much so
does it work for you
it does ukuphula nje ulimi mfowethu
sure
I don't think 50% all right I think 50% of us black children we wouldn't be where we are if it wasn't for connections first and foremost buka abantu abasema university buka ngoba ade kuno line wama first year umntaka bani ba register kuqala because bazobani yabo khona basamile manje ma 18 since bafika ngale lela viki yabo so it does help to have a proper network and it pushes you to somewhere yabo
but does networking necessarily mean connections because from how I've seen things ngibona ngathi you can network but you have to have access to some people yabo because you can ngafika endlini lakho ugcwele abantu abawosibanibani but then if access ngingayitholi kulabo bantu labo then ukubazi kwami no ngengenzele lutho because it's hard because mabe khuluma nge-networking bazokhuluma ngathi like uzongena endlini khona Elon Musk and just like hey sir I'm Vuyo this is what I do and Elon Musk is going to be like yeah which is not how things work but to have access to those people because I believe that networking works I mean gaining access to those people mele ukuthi umuntu ofuna uMageba wazi mina and mina ngizomthatha ngizombeka ngqo eduze kwaMageba not ukuthi hambe uyelapha yana uyozamela wena that connection I don't think it works like that I think that it's indlela ende kakhulu
mina ngokwazi kwami networking and being connected are two different things
let's explain the difference sure
networking suke sihleli kanje even though singahlalanga yabo uzofika uthola amajita ephuzela ngaphandle and then you start networking uyaqala uyakhuluma nabo usibani wenzani ungenza lokho yabo ungenza lokho nani nami ngenza lokho and then if the nigga is interested then ngeke usezothi lo yamjita nani yabo then you start going back and forth about lento eniyenza and all of that and being connected is me being able ukuthi njengoba sihleli njengamanje sithi mhlawumbe ngizoyenza example sifuna utshwala zonke itoro ivaliwe and then it's just a typical example ngiyafona ngithi mina sibanibani awuvulela usibanibani lapho uyazozothenga utshwala sifuna into kanje that's having a connection yabo
and that having access
exactly ngiyabo you have access to that connection But when you're networking, you don't have access beyond lento enihlangene ngayo la.
Sure.
Yabo. So
Sure.
you still have to maneuver your way ekuthenini
Yeah.
ukwazi ukuba sharp.
Now, how would you say, from your experience so far, how would you say you create that access to the necessary people?
It goes back with networking. I feel like they are all steps.
Okay,
Fana life, in fact.
sure.
Life has steps.
Does it?
It does. Life has steps.
Yeah.
Awuvelanga waba yijongo. You started there. You had a dream. Yabo. So before you reach that dream, you need to go through obstacles and hurdles, right?
Yeah.
So if I networker, no access, and then having that connection.
You're chilling with the Zulu, man. You're chilling with the Zulu, man.
I don't think, I mean, life has steps necessarily, yabo, because you would rate yourself as a 5, yabo, based, I would say, on your success on a business, yabo. I have another question on that to remind me on the hustling part. But then you have this thing ukuthi okay sengibe la ngabala khona umuntu ongabanga la wabala oqhamuke la yabo based on what
Goes back to this thing that we're talking about, connections.
yeah, some are pointing to it, some are just connections.
Let's be honest. You
Sure.
can't start from being, as to be honest,
Yeah.
I was ukusuka high school and then be the CEO ye company.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Exactly.
Sure.
So success is not an overnight thing. As khuluma nje iqiniso.
So okay, you're saying the connections have been built
Exactly.
over a long time.
Exactly.
Yeah, even if so even if it doesn't benefit me directly, it will benefit somebody
Exactly.
who is closer to me. The question I have about hustling is that says on this other I would say gathering attended. Losses lona uti labeling yourself as a hustler means you don't know any wenzani, because more you hustler ushuthi uyiphanta and the panther will do anything yabo ukuze likwazi ukuthi libeke isingo etafuleni yabo. So more you even if engasho kanjalo ngqongqonqo but wesho into ecisho ibe kanjalo, what would you say on that?
Hey, yazi mfowethu, being a hustler means izinto ezihlukile. Yabo.
Yeah,
Ukuhustlisha kufani.
sure.
Yabo. Mina njengami ngithengisela ama-veg.
Sure.
Yabo. Omunye wenzani? Ekuningi mfowethu, kuningi. Omunye uwasha imoto.
Sure.
That's also hustling, yabo.
Yeah.
It differs ukuthi wena ufuna ukwenza ngendlela kanjani, yabo. So I wouldn't say she was speaking the truth, and I wouldn't say bekakhuluma amanga, yabo, because it depends on definition ya wonke umuntu ukuthi definition yakho, cause ngizothi mina kuwena yini ijongo,
Yeah.
ungichazele bese ngiyakuphikisa, angithi yabo.
Yeah.
So it depends. Yonke into nento mfethu, it depends on the understanding yomuntu nanokuthi wena uyafuna ukuboniseka or awufuna ukuboniseka, yabo.
Sure.
So I feel like definition, it goes with the personality. So
Alright.
you're not right ngokwakhe because
Yeah.
she knows
And
what
how
she's
she has
talking
experienced
about.
life.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Right ngokwakhe. But mina, when I tell you ukuthi hustling is when you make a plan to always be above the borderline of poverty. Yabo. Meaning ukuthi wena whatever that comes with money,
Yeah.
you are willing to do it, and you do it wholeheartedly because ufuna ukwenzani, awufuna ukubuyela lapha endlaleni, yabo.
Would you say that is how we got to izinkabi mhlambe?
Exactly.
Sure.
Exactly. Phela abanye abantu mfowethu la ngaphandle banenhliziyo ezimbi. And inhliziyo ezimbi ikhandwa yini? Ukuhlupheka. I'll tell you a funny story. There was a nigga esasifunda naye esikoleni.
Yeah.
Lo yamjita wayekutshela ukuthi mina ngisesikoleni because abazali bathe ngize esikoleni, kodwa ngaqeda la ngiye hostel ngiyoba inkabi.
Why? What? Yonto efuna ukuyenza leyo.
Yonto ayifuna ukuyenza.
Not ukuthi uphoqelekile ukuyenza.
Not ukuthi wayephoqelekile.
Well, because nami ngangiye esikoleni because kwangimele ngiye esikoleni. But
We still do now.
Ukube kuyangama ngabe ngangenza what I'm doing right now long time back. Kodwa not to say isikole is not it because beke ngihlangane nabantu engihlangane nabo ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi ngifike la engifika khona.
No, that's true.
And then speaking of school, I know ukuthi you were once waxoshwa esikoleni.
How?
Waxoshwa esikoleni.
It's kuyenzeka but as also saying and as thinking about it, sometimes it actually pains me to know, but I actually say sometimes it was a good thing.
Yeah.
Because la ngaxoshwa khona ngangine scholarship.
What?
Yeah.
So it
like
went down the drain.
It went down the drain.
Shit.
I used to play rugby. I was really good at rugby.
Yeah.
So I got a scholarship kuleso skole. Just because ngangisaseyintwana nami. Sacela ukufufuza and all of that. Ngaqala ngaxoshwa hostel. But ekhaya basi ukuthi ngaqala ngaxoshwa hostel. Because it was a traveling distance. Mhlambe kwakusuka lana eNanda. Ngisuke esikoleni ngekhaya mawukuthi I'm a day scholar and all of that. But ngangihlala boarding school, yabo.
Sure.
So ngaqala ngaxoshwa hostela and then report yami yabuya no NR. So scholarship down the drain. But it was a good thing.
Moxoshwa was there.
Phela ngithi kwase ngama exam November, December.
Oh, okay.
So vele ngangikwazi ukuyekhaya because khona lama transport ivele lawo and ngiyabaza abantu bakhona yabo.
Yeah.
So I would just hambe ngekhaya mabefika nasekhaya kuthiwa wayibuyile ngithi mina bese ngikhumbule ekhaya plus ama exam vele yabona so ngizobuye ngibhale ngalesa sikhathi lesa yabo na uzama phela ukugoqa njengentwana yabo plus ngangihlala nomagogo yabo.
Oh yeah.
So umagogo would be like okay vele ngoba ama exam and then she wouldn't look into it yabo. But I feel like it was a good thing ukuthi ngaxoshwa because isikole ngiye kuso after long.
Yeah.
It was the best. Yabona ukufunda endaweni exubanisa abantu baselokishini abantu basemakhaya na yonke leyo mpahla leyo.
Yeah.
It teaches you how to live with certain people. It teaches you how to be umuntu.
Yeah.
Amongst people and it teaches you ukungaphakama.
I definitely agree with that based on how because nami ngaqala emakhaya mina ngasuka emakhaya went to another school. It was not so makhaya-ish sona but wawubona nazo ukuthi esikendaweni yabantu bangasibo abantu bakithi. So I feel like boy but okay kukanje but you get exposed to people of different backgrounds and you're born okay impilo ihamba ibuye kanje nami impilo iyakwazi ukuthi ibe kanje. And then you look at how, because you mentioned you're a hustler, you sell veggies, I do a podcast, I shoot people, okay? And then in every industry that we're in, we all want to be successful, right? One of my mentors once said, just do your thing, the pie is always big enough for everyone to have a share in it. Do you believe in that?
I don't.
Why not?
Because not everyone wants the pie, wants a piece of the pie. Some want the crumbs.
Oh.
You know, there's a difference between ngizoyibeka kanjani awuthi futhi ngifuna ukuyibeka ngesintu yabo ngesizulu kunomehluko phakathi komuntu ocela ukudla nomuntu ocela imali.
Right? Definitely,
Yeah. Lo ocela imali khona into afuna ukuyithenga angakwazi ukuyithenga. Lo ocela ukudla ufuna ukubonakala ukuthi no ngithembekile, this is the only thing I want and ufuna wena ukuthi umkholo ukuthi akabhemi akenzi ini yabo.
Yeah.
So in other words they are trying to buy you ekuthenini to believe in what they want so that you can give them. I'm not faulting them. I'm not saying they are wrong. I'm not saying in.
Yeah.
But there are some people who want the crumbs of the pie because they don't see isidingo sokuthi bezibetharishe bona for them to do more and be good. Yabo. I'm not saying ukuthi wonke umuntu has the resources ukuthi abe sharp, but you can push, dog. Ayikho into engenzeki la emhlabeni. Like the world has so many possibilities.
If you have access to the right people again.
It's right. But inhlanhla yazenzela.
How so?
Ephela uyapusha dog. Uyapusha and you pray.
Okay, the more you push out, the more opportunities you're presented.
Exactly.
Okay, I get that. Yeah.
Uyapusha mfethu.
You pray.
Yeah, you pray. Believe in prayer. Yeah.
How many goals of yours do you think you have achieved through prayer?
Everything that I've achieved right now is through prayer.
Yeah.
Mina ukufika kwami la ngikhona. It's through prayer. Ukuvuka ekseni it's through prayer. Umuntu angakubona uhamba la estradini adayo isikhotheni nani ayithanda. No. I do pray and I make sure I do. I fast even if I need to.
I'll take you back a bit because I didn't finish that part. How much of praying was there on the scholarship part?
There was a lot, bruh. Because I remember the day I got my scholarship. I remember the day perfectly. Sasiseclassini.
Yeah.
So isikole engangikuso kwakuyiDandi High. Sabona amakhwanza esiDandi High athi qa. I think there were 2 if not 3.
Dandi.
Yeah, iDandi.
Yeah.
Athi qa ngangifunda eDlengo primary ngaleso sikhathi. I was in grade 7, so they gave me a scholarship for grade 8 for actually my whole high school life. It was a full bursary, but it was 50%. It could only cover tuition. And then I had to pay for Ilokunjana. But if I excelled, it beat 100. They just gave me a year. Mau excel, say new 600.
So when you lost it in grade 8?
I lost it in grade 8.
What, chaotic?
Yeah, I was.
So it seems like grade 7 was your toughest year. Okay.
I won a grade 7.
Heartbroken, scholarship. Man.
My heartbreaking bit was sawathola namanje.
Is it?
Sawathola mfethu namanje. Amantombazane scam. Cabanga uyojula ube ubhizi ne18 usuku lonke azokucela imali e-time. Noma ufuna ukwenza inwele.
Out of nowhere.
Cabanga. Mana ngibuza wena this question.
Sure.
Do you believe ekuthenini amajida kumele bemahle?
Do I believe ekuthenini amajida kumele abe mahle?
Exactly.
Buhle bendoda zenkomo zayo.
Ngiyakubona ke lokho.
I don't believe. I don't know. I don't.
You don't?
Yeah.
You know why ngibuza lo question?
Yeah.
Cut. It's because why is it a must ukuthi thina sinike abantu bethu imali but bona bengasiniki imali for maintenance?
Okay.
Ha.
I'll beg to differ, yabo? Because mina emnsekeni ngiye ngiphume kukhokhe yona and ngiyazi ukuthi mangathi ngithi ngicela mhlawumbe ngicela ngimali okugonda nganginikeza.
Then ibambeke baba.
Okunye yeah. Mangashongo kodwa ngeke yenze, yabo?
You're chilling with the Zulu man.
So from our first date, we were like, yeah, she went to the movies. It was her idea. She paid all that. So yeah, inhlanhla shothi inhlanhla kuseyami wamanje.
Hayi ubusisi ungamiyeki. Ungamiyeki.
Mina ngasho ukuthi ngeke ngimiyeke. Yena mhla kufika makufika yena ukuthi akangiyeke.
Akakiyeke.
Yeah, because I think that is the where heartbreak occurs, because it's like wena I mean ngakhetha wena noma inini yena uthi mina angisakhethi kusukela manje, yabo? And into mawikhetha uyikhethela ukuthi ufuna ukuthi kube yakho uyigcina, yabo? So mawuthi ayikhetha wena engakhethi yona iba kuhlungu le nto, because ukukhetha kwakhe izinto kuhambisana nezinqumo, kuhambisana nokuziqoquzela and everything else esuke khona emqondweni wakho nezifiso zakho njalo njalo. But then asike emjolweni webhodi.
Hey.
You spoke about prayer, that in this is little and then being chaotic got you out.
Oh yeah. Oh, I was telling the story of how I got my bursary and all of that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So imagine mfethu abantu babizwa nga1 emaklasini.
Yeah.
Babizwa nga1. Babizwa phela
and
la bazodisha into yakhona.
Yeah, and then in primary you like
Mfethu ngihleli ngiyazi ukuthi I know I can't remember correctly, but mina kulo nyanga ngangiqala ukudlala irugby. My first practice ngangena ku first team.
What?
Yeah.
Why? Speed.
I was fast, dog.
Yeah.
I was fast. Because ucoach Mr. Lloyd. So nje office, we were dropping off some things. He was like, why are you not coming to rugby practice? I'm like,
Never invited me.
besides, you never invited me.
Sure.
And then I went the following day. Mangifika, angazi kwenzakalani, ngathola ibhola, mangithola ibhola, ngangakwazi kwakushaya step, ngangakwazi kwenzani, ngajika. Mangijika, ngangigijima nebhola ngajika ngashona le. Ngangiyale, ngajika ngashona le. Wonke umuntu washona le. Ngahamba ngedwa ngafika ngayo diver. Ngaxhuma kangaka mfethu ngabuya ngoshaya ngeimbambo phansi. After lokho, after practice, please come to my office. Mangifika bangigaya form le tour. What we're taking you to tour.
Shit.
I was like, okay, cool. Mina angazi ne rule, angiyazi ne rule.
Yeah,
Uyathatha uyakitchen.
Yeah.
And then we had our first practice match. Kanti sidlala kuphi sidlala neSarel. Sarel High School. Thina sasi first team yase primary. We played with Sarel. Bangifaka bang substituter in. Mabing substituter. Mina kitchen ngadlula ophethe ibhola. Rugby, you can't be yabo.
You can pass forward.
You can't pass forward. Yabo.
Yeah.
Mina kitchen lo ophethe ibhola ngangimbuka nje ngithi pass the ball.
Yeah.
Bangihleka yabo. Cabanga ipavilion yonke igcwele. Igcwele bayahleka yabo. So angibuza Mr. Lloyd, do you know the rules? I'm like, no sir, I don't. But you know what, just stand behind the person who's carrying the ball and then take the ball and go score.
Okay, because you have the pace.
Now, you have the pace.
Yeah.
Well, from today onwards, you're going to be a winger. You have the pace. I've seen you. So just stand behind the person who has the ball, take the ball, go score.
Sure.
Don't let anyone stop you. I was like, okay, cool. After that, atmosphere we saw, scrum of say to number 9, so the person over right wing, which is number 14, Mfishane, got to a number 9. Mina ngiyangena number 14. Atmosphere we saw, I think I had like 5 or 6 tries in a small number of games. From there onwards angiphindanga phuma. Kwase kuphuma lo kade from there. And then magfika ukuzolanda ama scholarship, I think I was the second most try scorer in the team. Tina Brown le team le ana angithi e primary ma iscore senu masi over 50. Yeah, miss game. Magu nil.
50-0.
Yeah, 50-0 or above 50. But nje once year nje 50 eqela ngalo. I think kuleyo season mhlamba u5 ama games sawa miss.
Shit.
With the best schools, best primary schools, our league was very tough. You know?
Yeah.
So nje after lokho and then makufika laba mfethu be scholarship. Engalanda ukugcina mina. Sengithuke ngijulukeni ngiyababona kuloko balokhu babizwa nga1 bayaphuma emaklasini. Ngiyasho ukuthi faka ngisitholanga ke mina.
Yeah.
Ngisho ukuthi shit. Ngaphuma mfethu mangifika abafika basigaya izinto mfethu. And into yayinhlanhla lapho ngangihlala nomunye ugogo wami usisika mkhulu uzala umama. So vele ke nje eJanuary Sunday kwakuyiwe esontweni ngiyakhulekwa and all of that yabona nje kuyi. So I think nakho lokho kwangiboost inkinga ngisase ngicwana phela ngangaka understand.
Yeah.
But hence I say I've always believed in prayer. I've always been a church goer and even today.
When was the last time you went to church?
I went to church. It was last week. Was it last week? If not, it was last of last week.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Let me leave that. Huh? No, because do you think going to church has anything to do with ukholo lwakho?
It doesn't.
Yeah.
Mina ngakholwa ngayisondweni. It's just the relationship you have with God that matters.
Personally, spiritually.
Yeah, personal.
Yeah, your spirit. Now let's go back. You said your thingy is prayer, right? Pray as much as possible. I mean, as you can. That would be your mindset in believing which is into zami, therefore you pray. And then you also said something about people who go for crumbs instead of the whole pie. What do you think makes other people have the mindset to go for the whole pie while other people are just waiting for the crumbs? What contributes to that?
I want a problem. Iziningi izinto ezenza lokho. Yabona nokungasithembi. Yabona lack of confidence drives you to not do good. yabona uma uzibhekela phansi ngeke wenze izinto eziphezulu.
Sure.
You'll stick to where you're comfortable. Sometimes you need
You
to
stick
be
to your
uncomfortable.
level that is in your head.
Exactly. Yabona azifana nokushela intombi. Khona intombi othi mawuyibona la uthi ayile ngeke ilena yabona ile. Why nje ngelinye ilanga uyijonga nje ungahamba uyishela. Uyishele nje ubone. Ushawe ngepani ube right ubone yabona. Ngelinye ilanga uzoyithola.
Le pani engilazi ukuthi ngizolithola lele.
Hey, angithi yabo.
Ngiyazi kathi ngizothola pani.
Uyozama mhlawumbe
Ngizama,
yakho you
ngathi
never know.
siyokubeleka.
Nase life ini kanjani. Angithi yabona. That's the mentality other people have who want crumbs.
Khona ipano labonayo tekuse ola phaya. Khona ipano laziyo leli ukuthi yipani nje leli engiyakulona mfethu. Mina ke nje insizwa yakithi nawuthi sawubona umuntu vela ngavumi. Hayi hey. Kodwa ke ukuzethemba ngani akusento elahlekayo webhuti akusento elahlekayo. Kodwa lokho okushoyo cha ngiyakuzwa. Ungasithembi ukuzibukela phansi. What about indawo okhulele kuyona, because we spoke about umuntu ozothi phuma e-school ayobe CEO somewhere because of the connections. Yeah, but those people surely have a different mindset. Say, I'm not going for the crumbs, I'm going for the whole thing.
Yeah.
But what about indawo okhulele kuyona?
No, it also has an effect.
Sure.
It also has an effect. Indawo okhulele kuyona mfethu. Yabona ezinye indawo ziyacindezelana dog. Ziyacindezelana. Umbona ngisho umuntu eshaya igap here. Uvela bemnyama. Aqunqa umuntu unga-understand ukwenza uzuyitshe ukuthi mhlambe uyagula or kanjani.
But udla ama drugs manje.
Angithi yabo.
Yeah.
So yeah, nendawo it plays a huge effect. I think yona futhi contributes the most because yona yokuqala and then it comes with ukungasithembi ukuzinyeza. Yabona kuyanyukela konke lapho vela ngithi sizositshela nawe ukuthi vele ngiphume endaweni kanje ubani okuyaphuma la waphumelela. But what if when you are pusher kuba wena ophumelelayo? Typical example uSweet Guluvu uphuma enquthu. Yabo. Akasho
right?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
Akasho ukuthi ngoba vele enquthu akekho ke wawina iBig Brother nami ngeke ngiwin. Uyiwinile mpeke manje he's doing big things. Yabo.
Yeah.
So it goes with the mindset. Hence I'm saying ukuthi some people just want the crumbs and some others they gun for. Yabo. Uba nesibindi lokho uthi mina ngeke ngihlule yilokho. Yabo, ngizozama but ngizoze ngifike lapha ngizoyithola. Yabo. Omunye umuntu ucomfortable ngokwenza into emfakela the bare minimum. Athi yena as long as mfethu ngizolala ngidlile noma ngadla isinkwa namhlanje inini. Akafuni the things that make life amazing. Yabo. Ngeke ungitshele nje ukuthi mawungathatha i-out mfethu uyithatha uyihambise ezimbali. Ifika ibona ama Porsche nan la. Yabo. Uzolokithi
ilama amapayani yakhala khona ke.
Exactly. Ngithi yabo uzolokhu ikhala kancane. Hey la kuphilwa kanje. Hey thina lokushini asinakho konke lokho. Why ungasicabanga ukuthi hey yazi nami one day mfethu.
Into engizondawo bhuti ngazokuphulula into engizondawo ukuthi umuntu abone mhlawumbe sike endaweni ekanjalo. Bona umuntu abone into ekanjalo. Athi hayi umuntu omnyama ngeke abe nayo into enje ngeke umbona.
Ithi emlungu ke lo.
Exactly. Ngasibali
thina ndle emnyama mfethu siyibukela phansi.
Yeah.
And ukuyibukela phansi kwethu kuzosalela nakubantwana bethu nesizukulwana na yonke lento le. Why singayibreak leyo case?
I think we are the generation that is going to do that. Yeah?
Exactly.
We are the generation that is going to do that because our parents had that mindset and thina asikwazi ukuba nalo mindset because asifundanga ndawo. So because now we look at the level of as we were saying multiracial schools yabo into yayingandela lesasikhathi. So now bayenza bayifaka ukuthi okay ingane zethu zikwazi ukuthi zingene lapha and siyanda yabona usane elincane nje olithule likhuluma isingisi lapha lisho igama elingaka ukuthi hey mina legama ngalazi ngifuna grade 8 yabo something like that. So I think we are the generation that is going to break that. However, keeping in mind ukuthi noma ngabe thina siya le sonke yabo khona abafuna ukusala la bengazi besalelana. I was speaking to those akubo obani obhekifa or something like that.
Bhekithe.
You're chilling with the Zulu man.
So mawumfana osemakhaya mfethu inalento lokuthi hayi angathi isilungu kwashe kwacima kanjani uma ukhuluma isilungu nokuzenza ngcono kanjani. But you look at our generation is the generation that sikhuluma isiZulu lapho sisikhuluma khona, but our language is basically anything that's any language that is going to make ourselves express ourselves in a good way. Yabo khona amagama mhlawumbe bethu sitswana wazi ungazinaki nokuthi wakhuluma just because abantu abadala into bathi bacabanga ukuthi ongalikhuluma ulimi lwakho ubalekela ubuwena. No, ngibalekela ubumina akuthi angilwazi kodwa to express myself better mangihleli nabantu abawonda ngake I must do that. So I think mhlawumbe ezinye izinto leyo emele zishintshe emqondweni wabantu bakithi because mangisemakhaya ke insizwa but you can't find me here. Hey, yabafana nikhuluma isilungu nje hayibo.
As Mosho lo mfethu I was browsing through TikTok and I saw something that I think isekuyinto esinhlala yenzeka manje.
Sure.
Like you see ezinye inhlanga mfethu besiningo.
Yeah.
And it's beautiful to see ukuthi abantu they actually acknowledge ukuthi isintu sethu simnandi kanjani. Yabo mawubona umZulu nje gida ingoma kuba kulento leyo ukuthi avele umZulu, but when you see other tribes trying it out and actually perfecting it, mina ngisumuntu okwazi ukugida yabo ngiyazama, but mawubona umlungu mfethu nawe uba naleyo nto lokuthi ngeke ngihlule umlungu mfethu ngumZulu yabo. Yiyo lento lekumele sibe nayo lifeini ukuthi yabo ngeke ngisetlishe for lokho, I have to get something much more better than this yabo into kanjalo.
Still on that, another mindset that abantu bakithi baba nayo like okay ngathi kuyajabulisa ukubona umuntu okulunye uhlanga enza into enjani acknowledge ukuthi into yakithi yinhle yabo, kodwa khona izinto esizenzayo thina zezinye inhlanga
abangeke befike nokufika
abangazijabulela ukuthi no ngibona umZulu enza into ukuthi ngibona umuntu omnyama enza into ukuthi kanje. Another thing engiyibona yenzeka selokwathi inhlobo futhi abantu bakithi bakuthwala bakubeka ekhanda ukuthi mhlambe hayi nginentombi yomlungu mina kwatsha wacima kanjani nawe belo ngaba nankinga
uhlala ungayiqheli ukuthi ubamba umlungu wena uhlala ungayiqheli ucanga uyongena nomlungini,
kodwa mawucabanga kubo because mhlawumbe nje uma wakho uthi hey ulusana nje umfana wami ugana umlungu, kodwa mefika ngale kubo ekhuluma nabakhe hey I don't know what Isabel was doing, he just got married to a black guy
but
not exactly that because imnandi
no
why it's ungathi it's an achievement, it's kind of
it is an achievement because you're breaking the curse. You're starting something new. Phela usuyabona ukuthi kuyi family tree yakho sekune division yabo, uyabona ukuthi
usuma ngenza njalo mangenza umXhosa because kuzoba
inkinga mnyama
kodwa ingane
stila ngebala stila ngebala
that thing is like nina
but ngiyadlala no it's actually a nice thing if you get married outside your race. I always say mina ukuthi ngiyadinga mfethu ukuthi masandisa umndeni siwandise nangindlela ezahlukene yabo, kungagcini la ekhaya yabo. I don't mind mina getting married to a Xhosa yabo. It's because ngiyandisa isizwe sozulu phela kumele sigcine kozulu, kumele futhi isikapake siyele nale yabo. Mina ngokwami nje ngifuna izingane ezu30.
Zenziwani mase sizingaka?
Cha uZulu kumele ande mfethu, at the end of the day kumele ande
30.
30
ba makhosikazi amangaka
yeka ke leyo so ibona leyo, but it has to be something very healthy.
Zwane ngane zo because there are people abanjalo ukuthi unengane zo 18 unonkosikazi oyedwa
umgqilazile
And no, again. Ngaze intombi nje oyiqaqaqa ibuye shadela omunye umuntu.
Baba yabona tell you a little secret. Mina ngokwazi kwami uZulu, which is umkhulu wami ozala ubaba. Masizwa ingane zakhe ezaziwayo 56. Ebena amakhosikazi awu3. Masizwa angazi noma iqiniso or ini.
Juthi mekwalala ngesisiphanti nje napha ngomuntu esifazane ushingane.
Alalela. Kwakuyingwenya ke le. Yabona ke le abakuyinsizwa ke le insizwa. Even though I've never met him, washona I think ngangakazalwa or ini. Yabo. But mawuzwa ngaye.
Yeah.
Awuyezwa ukuthi insizwa. So yeah, yabona mina I believe in that ukuthi uphiwa uke washo something be striver and then kwadlala lengoma le ethi unforgettable. Yeah, something like that. Wathi no one is unforgettable. It's just hard to forget you. Yeah. So that's what I want in the life in it. As much as we might not have the connections,
you don't want to be forgettable. You want to be unforgettable.
Exactly. I don't want to be forgotten, but I want to be unforgettable.
Topic for another day, though.
Yeah.
It's a thing you would see. Because I'll live, and then after living, as soon as people sebephumile wena
sebezophuza utshwala nje bedawe belokuthi hey ujongo hey
yeah bekuyinsiza
uphele sukulolo.
Yeah, so being forgettable is like it's an easy thing yabo. Kodwa ngoba sabantu ke siphila kanje sinemizwa into yakhona. Last thing before I let you go, any message to the hustlers? We're basically speaking about hustlers. If you just skip the video too long, speak about hustling, connections, and how networking doesn't work unless you have access to the right people. Any last message to the hustlers?
Yeah. I think if there's one thing that I actually want to say is ukuthi bangakhohlwa ukuzithanda bona.
Sure.
There's a saying, there's isingisi ethi charity begins at home. Ihome akubo wena before you push it out there. Once wasithanda kuningi okuzoyenzakala. There's light in cleanliness.
There's light in what?
Cleanliness.
Sekuvole sasingesi ke bengisibaleka manje. Igama kodwa mfazi zoyidelela indoda madu bayishiya umkhonto kwazamazulu, and this is Chilling with the Zulu Man. Ngibonga kakhulu uma ufinyelele kulesigaba sevideo ngihleli naye ulusanda umfokazi Zulu. Like, comment and subscribe on Instagram. It's Chilling with the Zulu Man. On TikTok, it's Chilling with the Zulu Man. And you are here on YouTube, it's Chilling with the Zulu Man Podcast. Spotify, Chilling with the Zulu Man Podcast. Apple Podcast, Chilling with the Zulu Man Podcast as well. Tell your friends to tell your friends. Tell his friends that, like say, he's on Chilling with the Zulu Man as well. Until next time, danke.